It's September 22nd, 2022. I'm going to do a couple of very short videos of some recent human rights subject educational artworks, because they're not showing up in YouTube searches by the name of the person I portrayed. So I'm going to do a couple of videos just like with the name and including the words art, drawing, portrait, memorial, and so on. This is Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series 51, in which I made a weapon of the imagination for an Israeli response to their never succeeding military responses to the Palestinian uprising and quest for a right of return and for citizenship. And the slaughter, carnage just goes on and on year after year, longer than I've been alive. We have a weapon of the imagination, Israeli RPG, rocket-propelled gefilte. And in memorial portrait to Palestinian American Christian family background journalist Shireen Abu Akleh, who died earlier this year while covering the conflict in the West Bank. All right, there you have it. This will be a still photo, large still photo posted with a full description page on my website.